Lorinda Swain was convicted in 2002, accused of having sexual relations with her minor adopted son.
But the son later changed his story, saying that he wasn't telling the truth when he testified. The case was dropped, and now Swain has settled a lawsuit with Calhoun County for nearly $2 million.
24-hour News 8's Brady Gillum spoke with the prosecutors who eventually dropped the case and the defense team that won Swain her freedom. Brady, good evening.
Well, good evening. Today, a member of Lorinda Swain's defense team told me it was the right decision to drop the case. The prosecution felt it had no choice. Lorinda Swain spent years behind bars even after her adoptive son recanted his claims of sexual abuse.
We also contacted Lorinda Swain's ex-boyfriend, who lived in the house for most of the period during which this alleged sexual molestation was supposedly happening on a daily basis. And he very emphatically confirmed that this wasn't true.
Moran says Detective Guy Pickett's interviewed the boyfriend during the initial investigation, but never turned over that evidence to the defense. Not knowing about the boyfriend's accounts, Swain's lawyers didn't call him as a witness during her trial.
But under the law, the duty to turn over exculpatory information goes to both the prosecution and the police.
Lorinda Swain, in your opinion, was she wrongfully convicted?
No.
Calhoun County prosecuting attorney David Gilbert questions why the defense waited until after Detective Pickett's died to claim the detective failed to turn over potentially favorable evidence.
They claim that he had interviewed the boyfriend. It's her boyfriend. I mean, I don't know how it would take so long to figure that out, that they had interviewed this witness and they didn't know about it. It's her boyfriend.
The circuit court eventually ordered a new trial. With an uncooperative victim and a missing lead detective, prosecutors couldn't have moved forward with another trial.
I can't tell you why they recanted. Many times victims recant because people get to them. In this case, you're talking about a child of the suspect who ended up living with family. Why the kid recanted, I don't know. You'd have to ask him.
Now, Lorinda Swain and Calhoun County have reached a settlement in her lawsuit. The county still needs to approve it. Because of that payment, Swain will not get any money from the state of Michigan for the wrongful conviction. Reporting live in the Kalamazoo studio, Brady Gillum, 24-hour News 8.